Buang, I'm gonna teach you Filipino or Cebuano. Not Tagalog, Cebuano. Buang, maing udto.
Maing udto.
Udto. Maing hapon.
Maing hapon.
Hapon. Hapon.
Hapon.
Yeah, good evening. Maing gabi Dodong.
Diding.
Gigutom naman ni
Diding. But kimchi.
Not yet.
We'll do 2 takes.
Ruth is being forced to do the video, yeah. Yeah, we went to Amazing Oriental. It's an Asian shop to get some stuff. So Ruth is gonna do the haul.
Yeah. I don't know what she bought, but that's okay. She bought kimchi.
Show, Papa.
Made in Korea. South Korea.
Korea.
South.
That's kimchi that's made by Bibigo.
Yeah, it really smells if you do it in the...
Yeah, it's really
I already
lekker.
know that.
It's
yeah.
Lekker.
Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
Panda brand oyster sauce. Lee Kum Lee from Hong Kong. And we have makreel in tomatensaus met chili.
This is sardinas.
En makreel.
You're gonna eat it?
Nee. It's from China, product of China.
Okay.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
It's also from Hong Kong. You buy a lot of stuff from Hong Kong. Little one.
It's really good with what's this? Samyupsal dodong.
Sticks.
Pork barbecue.
Instant
pork
noodles.
belly.
Indomie.
Indomie, yeah.
Mee goreng.
Mee goreng.
What? You bought spicy. Hot and spicy. See?
Yeah, I bought one spicy for myself and then
one dry noodle, one
two
normal
pieces
one.
for normal one.
Yeah. Dry noodles.
Yeah.
Pho.
Ano bang?
Pho.
Pho.
Yeah. And mamacitas.
Yeah, that's for
Lumpia Shanghai mix.
yeah.
Fried spring roll seasoning mix. Okay.
Zo goed, papa, eh?
En dan zwarte peper gebroken.
Wacht. Mamacitas, yeah.
Oh.
You show it closer to the camera.
Pepper black crushed.
Yeah, this black pepper.
Some leaves.
Leaves.
See? Laurelblad.
It's good for adobo, dodong. What's that?
Something, yeah, it's in Arabic. Oh yeah, vanilla.
Vanilla, yeah.
Vanilla flavor.
That's for the pancake.
Another kimchi, but then instant one. So I think that not smells that much. Mee goreng.
Mee goreng, and what's that? That's really lekker, man.
Product of Taiwan. Looks like seaweed.
Yeah, it's still seaweed.
Korean style crisp seaweed. It's Korean style, but it's from Taiwan, okay? Original.
Oh.
That was all of it, I think.
And then
you made food that we should prepare in the oven again because it was not cooked. But
we're actually eating, but then it was not fully cooked yet.
Yeah, because
so.
you cooked.
Because
last time I cooked it was perfecto. Yeah, now you cooked it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then when we cut the meat, it's not really that cooked yet. Napaihilaw sa kuan.
G-screwed up.
Screwed up. Anna's not here. Anna is is by Oma and Opa. Wang, show them the thing we got for Anna.
Choose.
We went to Prenatal. The shop is called Prenatal. That's how they call it. Yeah.
Prenatal, yeah.
We have schoenen, shoes for Anna.
For the cushioning.
Yeah. And then
two. One for Anna and one for G. Two diva.
Yeah, gone. Our Christmas tree is not done yet.
Not done yet. It's not halfway. There's no chocolate in, no star in it.
I don't want a lot of Christmas balls in it, Bon. On it.
Yeah, you can prepare it, so it's up to you how you make it.
We're still waiting for our gift for our chicken. Mo din ni ang logo sa Amazing Oriental diri sa Netherlands. Kuan siya.
It's already it's not
Malaysia. So dito mig Den Boss nga Amazing Oriental. Yeah.
It's not You ready?
Yeah, Anna is not with us because it's Zaterdag. Normally on Saturdays, she sleeps at her grandparents' place. So yeah, nangato mi og den boss ni Ruth ganina. It's about 15 minutes from us, bang, no? From our place.
15, 20.
15? 15 of 20 minuten.
Yeah.
Minuten.
Minuten. Yeah.
Minuten. We're just killing time. So that's why I asked Ruth to do the whole. Because our kip is not ready. Now I'm confused. My head is like confused with Dutch and Engels and Philippines, bang?
Philippines, yeah.
Philippines. Yeah. How do you feel that Anna's not home, Papa?
Also relaxing one.
Wee! No stress. Sabad,
I've
Roy.
only one, yeah, somebody else is stressing, of course, extra then, but
Sabad, Roy.
yeah, sometimes relaxation.
How was it with Anna in the morning?
Good.
Really?
Yeah.
She wasn't crying?
One time. Then I took her out and then she was okay.
You took her out? It was cold in the
Out
morning.
of her bed, not out of...
Yeah, because Anna's a little bit sick. A little bit.
Yeah.
Kung sa ato apa, kuan siya, gidanggas. Dangas. We call it dangas when you have slight fever.
No, she don't have dengue, bro.
Giatot, ay, simbako ni mo, ay, nayabag man niya siya.
You
Dengue.
said dengue.
No, I said dangas. Dangas.
Dangas, dengue.
No, uy. Taka raman ko. Pataka raman ni si dangas.
Yeah, I think it's...
Buang, I'm gonna teach you Filipino or Cebuano. Not Tagalog. Cebuano.
After you learned how to drive bicycle, I will learn 5 words of Cebuano extra.
What's good morning in Cebuano? I already taught you before. Maayong buntag.
Mayong buta.
Maayong goedemiddag is good afternoon. No, I...
See, you don't even know it's yourself.
Don't show our pantry, Papa, because it's really messy.
Salamat.
Goedemiddag is maayong udto, Dodong. Maayong udto and maayong hapon. Buang. Maayong udto.
Mijn untu.
Udu. Maayong hapon.
Mijn hapon.
Hapon. Hapon.
Appel.
Hapon.
Ja, mijn hapon. Yeah.
My Dutch is better than your Cebuano, bo.
Yeah, of course, bro. You're longer here than I was in I was longer.
Hey.
But because of Corona, I have to talk like that all the time.
Maayong goede avond. Goeie avond.
Yeah.
Goeie avond is
Good
maayong
evening. Good
good evening. Maayong gabi. Dodong.
Diding.
Gigutom naman ni
Diding.
He's really hungry, yeah.
Yeah.
Patience, Papa, patience.
You know what? It should be good.
It's maayong gabi, Dodong. Dodong. Yeah? Nog niet?
I don't know.
Messi. No, I told you to do it in a deep fryer.
And you said I'm gonna cook. I said I'm gonna cook. No,
Yeah, because I did the vegetables first.
I'm gonna cook.
I miss Anna, Papa.
Yeah, you think Anna miss you too?
Yeah. No, actually, Anna's really happy.
Yeah.
Anna can sleep without me.
No, you can sleep without Anna.
No, I can sleep without Anna, but it took a little bit
You
of...
see, I eat already Filipino way.
It took a while. Unsa?
I eat it Filipino
No,
way.
that's not how you do it. You not just these two, but you use all of your fingers. This is a sudden vlog because
Yeah, because you screwed up with it.
sorry, Dada. And then it makes me happy when I go to
You
the
should
Asian.
put this one in the
Yeah,
fridge.
makes me happy when I'm able to go to the Asian shop or soon Filipino store. I really hope I can find Filipino store here, Bong.
Oh, what you want to buy though?
all Filipino stuff.
I like what?
And they have noodles, corned beef, meatloaf. What else? Huh?
We have that's there too in normal soup.
Yeah, but then it's different. It's not Filipino taste. When we get to visit my relative in Austria, because she has a Filipino store there.
Austria. Oostenrijk.
Don't. Just wait for it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Go eating.
not yet. Dodong, what's thank you in Cebuano?
What?
Thank you.
Salamat.
Not salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Really? It's salamat.
Salamat.
If I say bedankt, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's bedankt.
Yeah.
Or like if I say dankjewel,
Yeah.
do you like it?
That's like how you say it with the nagging. Thank you. It's like you.
Dankjewel. Oh, may lingaw. Ang kalit-kalit na ng vlog. Ruth is gonna join my vlog in the future or starting tonight. By the way, Ruth bought this rice cooker.
Rice cooker, yeah.
Before we came. Let's check if our curtain blue is already good. Oh, really? It's not good. Should I do it? You think it's good?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, we can eat. Are you sure yours is
No.
good?
I'm not sure, but put it out and I can. But how it can be really warm. The thing.
Okay.
Do it with the. Otherwise, you can get burnt. That's not good.
Gutom na kay si Ruth. Gutom papa is hungry.
Hungry.
Tanaw siya sa among vlog, akong vlog. When we went to Lidl last night. Wala pag yun. Maluto na yun, for sure. 4 minuton. Wow.
Yeah.
Lagot na kayo siya sa tanan ba? It should be ready. Unsay panihapon ninyo dira. By the time this is uploaded, maybe tomorrow siguro. Tomorrow. I'll upload this one tomorrow.
Tomorrow, listening.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, among pabunyagan si Inday Ana. And today, it's Anna's 7th month. 7th month.
Yeah.
She's 7 months old today. Z is
Ze is
7 maanden.
out.
Out?
Yeah, old. She's 7 months old.
Out.
Out.
Z is 7 maanden oud. Vandaag.
Vandaag, ja.
She's 7 months old today. Oh!
Ja, goed
May
zo.
nakay ko mo Dutch ba? Akong Dutch murag binata. My Dutch is like preschool level.
Yeah, it's not bad, boy.
Yeah, preschool level. But at least I have few sentences already. Yeah, before I came to the Netherlands, I had to do the A1 test, A1 level exam, because sa akong visa, it's it's a requirement. So if you can't pass the test, then you can't apply for the visa. So yeah, but then within 3 years, kay I need to take the A2 level nasa dire. Then perhaps I can already find a job dodong na.
Maybe.
Yeah, but seriously, I need to speak Dutch. I mean, to
Yeah, but now you speak English.
I mean,
yeah, for the okay.
better Dutch. Hope it's good dodong.
Yeah, I hope it too. Diding.
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 Few seconds. I'll just eat it dodong. Mao lang to akong video no. Kay kalit-kalit raman ni. Mga na mi. Babush mush mush. Maayong gabi
Babush.
babush. Maayong buntag sa Pilipinas. Eat well dodong, eat smakelijk.
Dankjewel, you too. Huh?
Luto naman siguro.
Enjoy.
Babush. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Houdoe.
Houdoe.